How to fix Snapchat camera full screen. First thing guys, open the settings, go to the apps. When you open the apps manager, now all what you have to do, scroll until you find Snapchat, click on it, click on force stop, and then click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back, click on data usage, make sure to enable the mobile data and the Wi-Fi and the background data and the roaming data. After that, click on force stop and then go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 10 seconds and then disable it. After that, restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.